Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your places. Class 1. Subject Mathematics. Chapter number 6. Numbers 101 to 500. Today we will discuss numbers 101 to 500. Lecture number 1. Today is our lecture number 1. Let's start. Students, open your book, page number 38. Students, look at this picture. Let's rewind. Give one banana to each monkey. Let's rewind. Give one banana to each monkey. Students, first of all, we will count all monkeys. First of all, we will count all monkeys in this column. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 monkeys in this picture. And second is we will count all bananas in this column. Now we will count all bananas in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bananas in this picture. We will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bananas in this picture. Now we will count all monkeys in this picture. We will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 monkeys in this picture and 7 bananas in this picture. A part is how many monkeys are there? How many monkeys are there? Now we will count again all monkeys. Then we will write here how many monkeys are there. How many monkeys are there? How many monkeys are there? How many monkeys are there? We will count all monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 monkeys in this picture. 9 monkeys in this picture. We will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 monkeys in this picture. Then I will write here 9. How many monkeys are there? 9. How many monkeys are there? 9. B part is how many bananas are there? How many bananas are there? Now we will count all bananas. Let's start. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many bananas in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many bananas are there? 7. How many bananas are there? 7. C part is which are more monkeys or bananas? Which are more monkeys or bananas? Which are more? कौन सी चीज ज्यादा है? Which are more monkeys? Monkeys ज्यादा है और या bananas ज्यादा है? Which are more monkeys or bananas? How many monkeys are there? 9. Monkeys कितने हैं? 9. And how many bananas are there? 7. Then how many monkeys are there? 9. And how many bananas are there? 7. Now I will write here which are more monkeys or banana, which are more monkeys. Which are more monkeys or bananas? Monkeys. कौन सी चीज ज्यादा है? Monkeys ज्यादा है. Which are more monkeys or bananas? Monkeys. Now I will write here monkeys. And D part is how many monkeys got the banana? How many monkeys got the banana? How many monkeys? कितने monkeys हैं जिनको got the banana? Banana प्राप्त होगा. How many monkeys got the banana? How many monkeys got the banana? monkeys. How many monkeys in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 monkeys. And how many bananas in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bananas in this picture. Then how many monkeys got the banana? How many monkeys got the banana? 7 monkeys got the banana. How many monkeys got the banana? 7. I will repeat this question again. How many monkeys got the banana? 7 monkeys जो हैं got the banana. 7 monkeys got the banana. E part is how many monkeys did not get the banana? How many monkeys did not get the banana? How many monkeys did not get the banana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 monkeys in this picture and 7 bananas in this picture. Then how many monkeys did not get the banana? 2. How many monkeys did not get the banana? 2. I will repeat this again. Start A part is how many monkeys are there? How many monkeys are there? यहाँ पर कितने monkeys हैं? Then कितने monkeys है? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 monkeys in this picture. Then I will write here 9. B part is how many bananas are there? How many bananas are there? First of all, we count all bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 bananas in this picture. Then I will write here 7. C part is which are more monkeys or banana? Which are more monkeys or banana? Monkeys और banana में से कौन ज्यादा है? Monkeys, because monkeys को monkeys 9 and bananas 7. And D part is how many monkeys got the banana? How many monkeys got the banana? कितने monkeys हैं जिनको बनाना प्राप्त होगा? कितने monkeys हैं वो जिनको बनाना प्राप्त होगा? 7. How many monkeys got the banana? 7 monkeys got the banana. 7 monkeys हैं जिनको got the banana. Banana जो है प्राप्त होगा. E part is how many monkeys did not get the banana? How many monkeys did not get the banana? ऐसे कितने monkeys हैं जिनको banana प्राप्त नहीं होगा? ऐसे कितने monkeys हैं? 2 monkeys did not get the banana. Students, numbers 101 to 200. Read and write numbers 101 to 200. Students, open your book and page number 39. You write in the book and speak with me. 101, 101, 101, 101, 101. Next is 102, 102, 102. Next is 103, 103. Next is 104, 104. Next is 105, 105. Next is 106, 106. Next is 107, 107. Next is 108, 108. Next is 109, 109. Next is 110, 110. I will repeat this again. 101, 101. 102, 102. 103, 103. 104, 104. 105, 105. 106, 106. 107, 107. 108, 108. 109, 109. 110, 110. 110, 110. Next row is 111, 111. 111, 111, 111. Next is 112, 112, 112. Next is 113, 113. Next is 114, 114. Next is 115, 115. Next is 116, 116. Next is 117, 117. Next is 118, 118. Next is 119, 119. Next is 120, 120. 120, 120. I will repeat this again. 111, 111, 112, 112, 113, 113, 114, 114, 115, 115, 116, 116. Next is 117, 117, 118, 118, 119, 119, 120, 120, 120. Next row is 121, 121, 121. Next is 122, 122. Next is 123, 123. Next is 124, 124. Next is 125, 125. Next is 126, 126. Next is 127, 127. Next is 128, 128. Next is 129, 129. Next is 130, 130. I will repeat this again. 121, 121, 122, 122, 123, 123, 124, 124, 125, 125, 126, 126, 127, 127, 128, 128, 129, 129, 130, 130, 130. Next row is 131, 131, 131. 131, 131. Next is 132, 132. Next is 133, 133. Next is 134, 134. Next is 135, 135. Next is 136, 136. Next is 137, 137. Next is 138, 138. Next is 139, 139. Next is 140, 140. I will repeat this again. 131, 131. 132, 132. 133, 133. 134, 134, 135, 135, 136, 136, 137, 137, 138, 138, 139, 139, 140, 140, 140, 140. Students, page number 39. Next row is 141, 141, 141, 142, 142, 143, 143, 144, 144, 145, 145, 146, 146, 147, 147, 148, 148, 149, 149, 150, 150. I will repeat this again. 141, 140, 141. Next is 142, 142. Next is 143, 143. Next is 144, 144. Next is 145, 145. Next is 146, 146. Next is 147, 147. Next is 148, 148. Next is 149, 149. Next is 150, 150. 150, 150, 150. Next row is 151, 151, 151. Next is 152, 152. Now I will write here 152, 152. 153, 153, 153. 154, 154, 155, 155, 156, 156, 157, 157, 158, 158, 159, 159, 160, 160. 160, 160. Next row is 161, 161, 161, 162, 162, 163, 163. 163, 163, 164, 164. Next is 165, 165, 166, 166, 167, 167. Next is 168, 168. Next is 169, 169, 170, 170. 170, 170, 170, 170. Next row is 171, 171, 171. Next is 172, 172. Next is 173, 173. Next is 174, 174. Next is 175, 175. Next is 176, 176. Next is 177, 177. Next is 178, 178. Next is 179, 179, 179, 179, 180, 180, 180. Next row is 181, 181, 181, 182, 182, 183, 183, 184, 184, 185, 185, 186, 186, 187, 187, 188, 188, 189, 189, 190, 190, 190, 190. Next row is 191, 191, 191, 192, 192. Next is 193, 193. Next is 194, 194. Next is 195, 195. Next is 196, 196. Next is 197, 197, 198, 198. Next is 199, 199. Next is 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. Students, this is your today's homework. Do page number 40 in your book, which I have already discussed in this lecture. Students, do page number 40, which I have already discussed in this lecture. This is your today's homework. Page number 40. Do page number 40, which I have already discussed in this lecture.